If you're dealing with acne, dry skin, or inflammation and you've tried every single product under the sun, I have some news for you. Your skin does not need more products. It needs you to stop wrecking it from the inside out. Here's how to fix your skin naturally, without any chemicals, serums, or 10-step skincare routines. Most skincare products are doing more harm to your skin than good. The truth is, most of your skincare products are loaded with chemicals, parabens, and artificial fragrances, and your skin is literally absorbing all of those things. Those things don't solve the problem, they just mask the symptoms while disrupting your hormones and damaging your microbiome. The skincare industry is worth over $150 billion, and they make more money when your skin does not get better. Now, let me tell you guys something shocking. You don't need to put anything on your skin. Your skin is self-regulating. You were never designed to need 10 different bottles in your bathroom. The more they strip your skin's natural oils, the more imbalance, leading to dryness, breakouts, and irritation. The less stuff you apply, the better your skin becomes. But that only works once you start healing your skin from the inside. Which brings me to my next point, that your skin is a direct translation to your gut health. Clear skin starts inside of your gut. If you have inflammation in your digestive system from seed oils, artificial sweeteners, and processed food, your skin is going to show it. Your skin is a mirror of what's happening internally. Heal your gut with real food. Grass-fed meat, wild-caught fish, fruits, raw dairy. You'll start to see your skin clear up naturally. And lastly, if you still have dry skin after implementing all of these things, this might be why. I want you to take a look at your shower. Hot showers strip your skin of its natural oils, and especially if you're taking them daily. Switch to cold showers, and in a week, I promise you'll see a huge difference. Now, it's very unlikely for your skin to still be dry, but if you are one of those people, the next thing you can implement is applying beef tallow. It's a natural moisturizer that's clean, ancestral, and your skin will recognize it as real. Now, if you're ready to clear your skin, fix your energy, and eat the way humans were meant to, I offer one-on-one coaching. I'll build your nutrition plan, help you heal your gut, and walk with you every step of the way. Apply using the link in the description or in my bio, and I'll personally review it to let you know if you're a good fit. Your skin does not need any more products. It just needs real food, real gut healing, and a real lifestyle. Subscribe if you're done with the skincare industry's lies. This is Divine Dieting, and it's time to glow the way nature intended you to.